کردم چه زبون نگم
You need to, before like that, you need to remove only that cable for 2004, 5, 6. That cable only, and I'll fix here. From here in the down unit is coming to AUX cable. AUX cable. Is coming sound out. You need to fix here in the AUX in. AUX in. White in the white, red in the violet. And direct to connect to here. And that one from in the AC automatic. That is 2 cable for AC. And in the purple and green from AC from 2004 and 2005, 6 from the 2 cable and going here to the canvas.
So definitely 4 minutes on the duration retro dance.
Original radio showing here.
Retro dance space in the period to the
If you control from here,
تاسو کنترل کردم
from the down.
Okay, original unit.
Original unit.
Okay.
If you want to go to like his AC home in the AC, everything's
Functional.
original. If you push that one from automatic,
Swing. Inside swing, okay.
and if you push in the from the USB in the device in the top.
رادیو خوش
And
Original.
car, that is original for car radio, CD and AUX in the original.
رادیو
An original CD. And control steering only just is working from in the original unit. Change. Change the radio. FM1, that is mode. And you want to tap Android using home. Which one you can use that? Put on the tab. If you want a video, just video.
اوکی بعد رادیو خود دیویدی رادیو خود دیویدی کرده کن
من خودم go to car. That is original radio. Here you cannot touch. Just only from
original unit.
From original unit.
Okay. Okay, show one more time behind this cable, as in from car.
From in the car. Remove original cable. The power. That cable before in the device. That cable before in the device. From new device is coming same jointer. Just you can put it here and here.
Today.
From in the back unit is coming two RC wires sound out. Just he's right. AUXL out. AUXL out. Just you put here AUXL in, AUXL in. That is for sound. And for AC, that is two cable. You fix it. You need to installation for two cable. And after original unit, sound everything is working. If you want to Android, go to home to Android. That is from Android. If you want like it's AC for heat and cold, just here you can control from that button.
On the dashboard.
In the dashboard camera. Original button is working. Button for automatic AC, automatic.
Swing is working.
Sync is working. If you want to go again to original unit,
this RC wire cable for the camera, rear camera.
for back power.
RC wire cable connected to the power cables. This wire goes to this connect to the behind DVD Android, and this wire goes to the rear, to the trunk, to connect to the company camera. And this is holding for the USB connection. The dashboard hold for the cables, the USB. These two USB. Like this.
Mr. Habib, there is one customer,
For
Basar.
this car, 2005 model, has original camera, backup camera original, and we need to fix to the head unit. First of all, you have to screw here, open screws, and there is here also need to open, remove from here. Okay, remove fully cover. just need to remove it. LED light. So this is for the connection rear camera. Okay, before installation we fix the aux connection to the behind this DVD for the camera, and the cameras goes here down, yeah, under open, here goes under roof here. This is okay, this goes, this is the camera one. This is fixed up here, door, okay, from here means from down here. This is need to open the cover, this area, open cover, and goes to come out from here, then it's like this. Okay. One side we connect to the behind DVD, and this is another side, and this is original backup camera for the Lexus. For the rear camera, I need to test one by one. First, cables here. You need to extend the cable. This is maybe about 50, half meter, less than half meter. We extended the cable and we connect. We cut the connection. This one. This need to cut, and then this is the video. Now we connecting video. Okay, it's yellow. This is yellow. Has yellow and red. Okay, yellow for the audio, for the video. We connect to the red wire for the car. And now we put the R, gear to R, and we check for the power. Now we need to find the rear power, rear wire for the light in this car. Just like this. This is for the light. Connect one external wire, connect from here to camera cable. It's like this to the red wire
for video.
Yellow wire which comes from the front, this one for the video, and this is power. Karushka? and another black wire connect to black is that enough? You see, this is a 3 wire, black, red, yellow. Black, red, yellow, and here also yellow to the red. Like this, need to tester.
اوکی ابی اون علامه بعد اگه ماشینه چرا ولی خوش پس اینجا رو بگوشتی
Comunique niente, però. So now we put back everything. For the camera, you need to test one by one the wires. And this is for CarPlay LED light here. Now it's done, finished, and we put back the covers. This is 2 USB out, here is one, and you see the video. Everything is functional.